Good morning class. Today I am going to explain about integer. This is the first chapter from numbers. Before I am telling about the integers, I would like to say some more other numbers. Here you can see a list of number that is starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 up to infinitive. This set of number is called natural number. And next there is another number series that you can see, but this time it's starting from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 up to infinitive. This set of numbers is called whole number. So you can see here is the basic difference between natural number and whole number, that is 0. Whole number start with 0 and natural number start with 1. So you may be thinking about another kind of number, that is decimal number. So where is it? So decimal number like 1.2 and 1.3 or 2.4 and many more, these are actually placed between the whole numbers or the natural numbers. So as it is a floating numbers, so we cannot express this number in this number line or in this number series. So we will discuss about decimal number on later. Here you can see I have expressed the numbers with the help of a number line. This is the number line which is expressing whole number starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to infinitive. It will be continued. When you move to the right hand side of the number line, the value of the number will be increased, and if you move to the left hand side from any number on this number line, the value of the number will be decrease. If I take any number in the number line, say 4, and if I move to the right hand side, I will find 5. The value of 5 is more than 4. And if I move to the left hand side of 4, I will find 3, 2, 1, 0. The value of all this number 1, 2, 3, 4 that are less than 4. So that means if you move to the left hand side, the value of the number will be decrease, and if you move to the right hand side, value of the number will be increase. Now if I take a number 0 and if I move to the right hand side, definitely it will be increased. I will get 1, 2, 3, 4. But if I move to the left hand side, what will I get? Is there have any number which is less than 0? Let's take a look. If I move to the number line left side of the 0, I will get again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this way it will be continued. But there is a basic difference. The number comes with a sign that you have to express its values. That means when you move to the right hand side of the 0, all the values of the numbers will be increased and will comes with a positive sign. And if you move to the left hand side of the 0, all the numbers, the same numbers will be repeated accordingly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but it comes with a negative sign and the values will be decrease. So we can express the number as like there. You can see here +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, +6 to the right hand side of the number line, and to the left hand side of the number line this is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So whole set of these numbers, this is called integers numbers. So let's have a recap once. I have told you about the natural number and whole number. Here is the numbers. There is no matter of sign, as these all are positives, and 0, this is not a positive or negative number, it is. But in case of integers, you will have the number with sign. So this is the basic definition of integer numbers. The whole numbers or the numbers with sign, that is integer numbers. So that's why it is also called sign numbers. Next come to the absolute value. Absolute value means a number, either it's a sign or not a sign number, but it must have a value. That means you can see -4 on the negative side and +4 is the positive side. So you can find the 4 in the both of the side. If I don't express the sign, still I will have a value of 4, that is 4, 1 2 3 4 4. So we can express the absolute value of any number or integer. That is here the way to express the absolute value, that is -7. The absolute value of -7, it is written as 7. In the same way, the absolute value of +7, that is also 7. So we will discuss about the operations on integers in the next class. Thank you.